Life is a journey filled with twists and turns, ups and downs, moments of joy, and times of sorrow. Each step we take, each decision we make, shapes our path and molds our destiny. It's a journey of growth and discovery. As we traverse through the landscapes of our lives, we encounter challenges that test our resilience and experiences that enrich our souls. Every obstacle we overcome, every lesson we learn, adds to our personal growth. We all seek happiness and peace. These are universal desires that transcend cultures and borders. Yet in our quest for these elusive states, we often look outward, hoping to find them in material possessions or external achievements. This peace comes from within. True tranquility is not something that can be bought or acquired from the outside world. It is a state of being that arises from deep within our hearts and minds. It starts with understanding ourselves. By delving into our inner worlds, we can uncover the root causes of our anxieties and fears. Self-awareness is the first step towards self-acceptance and inner peace. We must learn to live in the present moment. The past is gone, and the future is uncertain. The only reality we have is the present. By embracing the now, we can free ourselves from the burdens of regret and worry. We must see through the illusions of the ego. The ego often creates a false sense of self, leading us to believe that our worth is tied to our achievements or possessions. By seeing through these illusions, we can connect with our true selves. Then, we can truly awaken to the beauty of life. When we let go of our ego-driven desires, we can appreciate the simple joys that life offers. A blooming flower, a gentle breeze, the warmth of the sun, these become sources of profound happiness. This is the path to inner peace. It is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to look within, but the rewards are immeasurable. A life filled with serenity, joy, and a deep sense of fulfillment. It's a path of mindfulness and acceptance. By practicing mindfulness, we can become more attuned to our thoughts and emotions, allowing us to respond to life's challenges with grace and composure. It's a journey of letting go and embracing the present. Letting go of past grievances and future anxieties frees us to fully experience the present moment, where true peace resides. This essay will guide you along this path. Through the wisdom of ancient teachings and modern insights, we will explore the steps to achieving inner peace. We will explore the power of now. The present moment holds the key to our liberation. By fully immersing ourselves in the now, we can unlock a state of profound peace and contentment. We'll learn to silence the noisy mind. Our minds are often cluttered with incessant thoughts and worries. By practicing mindfulness and meditation, we can quiet the mind and find inner stillness. We'll discover how to find joy in the simple things. True happiness is found in the small, everyday moments. By appreciating the simple pleasures of life, we can cultivate a lasting sense of joy. Are you ready to begin? Let's take the first step together. Embark on this journey with an open heart and a curious mind, and you will find the path to inner peace. The present moment is a gift. It's the only moment we truly have. The past is gone. The future is uncertain. Only in the now can we experience life fully. When we dwell on the past, we feel regret. When we worry about the future, we feel anxious. But when we focus on the now, we find peace. Breathe in deeply, feel the air fill your lungs, listen to the sounds around you. This is the present moment. This is where life unfolds. The ego is a part of us. It's the voice in our head. It tells us who we are. But the ego is often mistaken. It creates a false sense of self. The ego thrives on comparison. It wants to be better than others. It seeks approval and recognition. This constant striving creates suffering. We must learn to observe the ego. We don't need to believe everything it says. When we detach from the ego, we find true freedom. Section 4. Embracing what is. Life is full of change. From the moment we are born, we are constantly evolving, growing, and experiencing new things. The seasons change, the days turn into nights, and nothing ever stays the same. This is the natural order of the world, and it is something we must come to terms with. There will be ups and downs. Just like the waves of the ocean, life has its highs and lows. There are moments of joy and moments of sorrow, times of excitement and times of calm. These fluctuations are what make life rich and meaningful. Suffering arises when we resist reality. When we cling to the past or worry about the future, we create unnecessary pain for ourselves. It is our resistance to what is happening in the present moment that causes us to suffer. When we fight against what is, we create more pain. By refusing to accept the present moment, we add layers of suffering on top of the initial discomfort. This resistance can manifest as stress, anxiety, or even physical illness. Acceptance is the key to overcoming suffering. When we learn to accept things as they are, we free ourselves from the burden of resistance. This doesn't mean we have to like everything that happens, but it does mean we acknowledge it and allow it to be. It doesn't mean giving up. Acceptance is not about resignation or passivity. It is about recognizing reality and responding to it with wisdom and compassion. It is about finding the strength to move forward, even in the face of challenges. It means acknowledging what is true. By seeing things clearly and without judgment, we can make better decisions and take more effective actions. This clarity allows us to navigate life with greater ease and grace. When we accept reality, we find peace. This peace comes from within and is not dependent on external circumstances. It is a state of being that allows us to remain calm and centered, no matter what is happening around us. The present moment is always as it should be. Each moment is a unique and precious gift, offering us the opportunity to learn, grow, and experience life fully. By embracing the present, we open ourselves to the richness of existence. Even in difficult times, there are lessons to be learned. Challenges and hardships can be our greatest teachers, helping us to develop resilience, empathy, and wisdom. By facing these difficulties with an open heart, we can transform them into opportunities for growth. Embrace the present moment, and you embrace life itself. By living fully in the now, we connect with the essence of who we are and the world around us. This connection brings a deep sense of fulfillment and joy, allowing us to live our lives with purpose and meaning. Section 5. Finding stillness within. The mind is often busy, it's filled with thoughts. These thoughts can be overwhelming. They can distract us from the present moment. Mindfulness is the practice of quieting the mind. It's about observing our thoughts without judgment. When we practice mindfulness, we create space for peace. There are many ways to practice mindfulness. Meditation is one way. Spending time in nature is another. Find what works for you and make it a part of your daily life. Section 6. Awakening to Oneness. We are all connected. We are part of something much bigger than ourselves. When we recognize this connection, we experience true joy. Spiritual awakening is the process of realizing this oneness. It's about transcending the limitations of the ego. It's about seeing the divine in all things. This awakening can happen gradually or suddenly. It can be triggered by a life-changing event or a quiet moment of contemplation. The path is different for everyone. Section 7. A journey of growth. This journey is not just about reaching a final destination, but about the experiences and lessons we gather along the way. Each step we take, no matter how small, contributes to our overall growth and understanding. The journey to inner peace is ongoing. It ebbs and flows like a river, sometimes calm and serene, other times turbulent and challenging. But through it all, we learn to navigate the currents and find our own path. It's not a destination, but a process. A continuous journey that requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. The winding paths and long roads symbolize the many twists and turns we encounter in life. There will be challenges along the way. Steep hills to climb and storms to weather. These obstacles test our resolve and strength, but they also shape us into who we are meant to become. But with each challenge comes an opportunity for growth. Just as new leaves sprout and butterflies emerge, we too can transform and evolve. Every difficulty faced is a chance to learn and grow stronger. Remember to be patient with yourself. Change takes time. Keep practicing mindfulness. Meditation and yoga are powerful tools that help us stay grounded and connected to the present moment. They remind us to breathe, to pause, and to reflect. Keep embracing the present moment. Feel the connection to nature, the earth beneath your feet, and the air filling your lungs. These simple acts of mindfulness can bring immense peace and clarity. And never give up on your journey to inner peace. The sunsets and smiles are reminders of the beauty and joy that await us. Even in moments of darkness, there is always light to be found. The path is open to all. No matter where you start or what obstacles you face, the journey is yours to take. The open gate and expansive meadow symbolize the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Take the first step and see where it leads you. Every journey begins with a single step, and each step forward brings new experiences and discoveries. You may be surprised by what you discover. Hidden waterfalls and breathtaking views await those who are willing to explore and embrace the journey of growth.